Hey y'all, hey, and welcome back to my channel. So you guys, we are gonna first start off by priming our eyelids with the Juvia's Place Eye Prep Eye Prime Primer, and we are just going to use a big fluffy brush to go ahead and blend that in. So I have to pick up the palette to show you guys what green I'm using, because in this matte book palette, as you can see, there are three different greens, but I am using that green in the middle, and I'm just going to pack that all over my lid. Now that that green is packed all over the lid, I just showed y'all my brush. I picked up just a little bit of the color on that brush because y'all, I am about to go ahead and blend this green out. I'm about to blow it out to the gods. Do you hear me, baby? Yes. And just to help further blend out that green eyeshadow, I am taking my setting powder that I'm going to use to set my under eye highlight, and I am placing that under my brow bone. Here comes the good stuff, y'all. I am placing on that NYX Cosmetic glitter primer so we can get ready to put on the glitter. And you guys, today with the glitter that we are going to be using, it's from that little, I'm not sure if you guys got these when it came out, but it was like a little 3 stacks of glitters from NYX Cosmetics, and it came with the glitter primer, and I'm going to be using that green glitter to place all over my lid. Now that we have that glitter placed, we are going to focus on the under eye. And y'all, I'm going into the box of crayons palette, and I am taking that red eyeshadow and I am placing it all along my lower lash line. And y'all, I had so much issues with putting this liner on. I'm not sure why. And today, you guys, we are just using some regular AliExpress lashes. No name, but they are very, very cute. Look at them. Yes. And now I'm just going to prime my face with the Rimmel Stay Matte Face Primer, a oldie but a goodie. And today we are using the Juvia's Place I Am Magic Concealer to conceal and highlight, and I'm placing it under my eyes and down the bridge of my nose. And y'all, you already know these little latex sponges have been getting a lot of use from me. I just love the way that they blend in my concealer and my foundation, y'all. Now that the concealer is down, we are going to go ahead and use our black Opal stick foundation to sculpt our face. After sculpting comes the foundation, and I'm using the Juvia's Place I Am Magic Foundation in the shade Lagos. And just to make sure that everything is blended in seamlessly, I am taking a buffing brush just to go over everything. And then I am taking my setting powder and I'm going to set under my eyes as well as down the bridge of my nose. to set my entire face, I am using the Maybelline Fit Me Loose Finishing Powder in Dark 40. And then I'm going just under my eyes again just to make sure that all of the powder from setting my under eye area is all pressed in and good. And then I am going back into that red from the Crayon Case palette just to tighten up under my eyes. And now, y'all, I am contouring this nose, contouring this little round nose up. And after the nose, you know you gotta contour the cheeks a little bit more. Give it a little bit more sculpt. I want to take it nice and subtle today, so we are using the Crayon Case Honor Roll highlighter, and I'm just placing that on all the high points of my face. And y'all, please forgive me for my voice. I currently have a sinus infection. Please forgive me. Please forgive me. And now, y'all, if you have been a watcher of my channel, then you already know that this lip combo that I'm about to give y'all is my favorite lip combo ever. And I had to figure out where I could find this Jordana lip pencil at, because it is one of my favorite lip liners to use with this Ruby Woo lipstick. It just gives the perfect red for my skin tone, I do believe. And then after you put the lipstick on, you know you gotta go back over with the lip liner just to make sure that everything looks all crisp and clean and good. And here is the final look. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope you guys use it for when you go out to your holiday parties so you can be all nice and glam. I want to say thank you for coming through and watching my video. Make sure that you like, comment, and subscribe.